Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to quickly set up your TikTok pixel on a Shopify store. First, from your Shopify admin dashboard, go to your apps and open the Infinite Pixel app. Once it loads, you will see the main dashboard. Make sure to click on Enable Extension to activate the app on your store. Here you can see the extension is activated on store. Let's get started. Now, look for the Add TikTok Pixel button and click it. You will see fields for the pixel name and pixel ID. You can add any name of your choice. To get these details, we need to head over to the TikTok Business Center. Inside your TikTok Ads Manager, navigate to Assets. We will create a new pixel. Click on Next and create new pixel. While the page is processing, remember that manual setup is better for tracking accuracy. Now, click Next. Choose TikTok Pixel API. Click Next. Create your pixel name. Click Next. Click Next. Enable this option. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click on Finish. We are almost there. Copy your pixel ID carefully. Now, switch back to your Shopify tab and paste the pixel ID. Choose your target areas according to your need. You can select specific selection or entire store. Now go to your TikTok Event Manager pixel settings. Scroll down on Event API. Generate access token. Copy the code, go back to your stores and paste the code. Now for the test event code again, go back to test event and copy the code from test event. Now go back to the shop and paste it. We need to ensure everything is working. Copy the code. Now, click on Customer Events in Shopify to add a custom pixel for deeper tracking. Add new custom pixel. Name this custom pixel TikTok Pixel and paste the tracking script provided. Change permission to not required. Paste the code here. Click Save and then Connect. After this, choose I have done this above, then Save. Here you can see our pixel has been successfully added. Finally, let us verify the setup. Go to your live store and use the TikTok Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Here I perform different events. As you can see, page view and view content events are firing perfectly. If you place a test order, purchase events will also show up. Here I am doing a dummy purchase. That is it. Your TikTok pixel is now fully active and ready for ads. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.